Smeg ovens with a 01 display have the option to access a special functions menu. Firstly, defrost. This is a function that allows you to defrost food on the basis of a selectable time. By circulating the ambient room air around the oven, it can often speed up the natural defrosting time by half. Proving. This will heat the oven to the perfect proving temperature and once again can often cut proving times in half. You can also place the oven into Sabbath mode. For more information on how this feature works, click on the link in the description. And finally, cleaning options such as pyro are available should you have this feature on your oven. To enter the special functions menu, turn the left-hand dial until this menu option shows in the display. Press in the right-hand dial to confirm the selection. Now, rotate the dial until the desired special function appears. Press in to select. The digits 0000 will appear in the display. You can now enter a duration if the function allows by rotating the right-hand dial again. To end or cancel the function, turn the left-hand dial back to 12 o'clock. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to find out more, please subscribe to our channel.